Let me see if it works. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Oh, now it's better, right? Since... Alright, everybody, can you... Where are you, boss? I'm here. Can you hear my voice, see my screen? Hedge fund trader Douglas, can you hear my voice? OBS says it's alright, right? Sound check, all good, everybody? It's alive, it's working. Alright, everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101. Remember, trading is a skill when you learn in the correct way, and the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in not 1 week, not 2 days, not in 6 months, but in about 3 years on average, right? In an institutional way. What does this mean? You know, right? You're first an analyst, and then you're a trader, right, everybody? Traveler's holiday, yes. Clara, is this you, Clara? Or it's Melissa? Who is Travelers? Or is Julius? Who? It's you, Clara, right? Alright, everybody, moving forward, never forget you're going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. You have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Today we have the... Clara, how have you been? Clara, we are in the... Say hello on Skype, Clara. Say hello on Skype. We are in the Learn How to Make Big Bucks course for the last 4 weeks. We have 2 more weeks, Clara, you can join for free. Okay. Hello, Alexander. I left you a message on Skype on the folder when you have classes, Alex. Okay, everybody. What else? Oh, risk disclaimer. This stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. You know this already, but I need to say it. You know, risk disclaimer, right, everybody? And if you didn't receive the free manual, everybody, courtesy of our students Shola and Ernesto, you know, Professional Forex Trader Course 101, it's for free, doesn't cost you a cent. Please send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. And if you didn't receive the little book of trading secrets with this beautiful guy, please visit the website fxbossfx.com, so www.fxbossfx.com. Okay, everybody, so moving forward, the 3 Fibonacci's in the multiple time frames. Remember, we have classes until December 20th, so 2 more weeks, and then we go on vacation. Okay, and then we're going to be back on Dukascopy Academy January 13. Okay, everybody? That being said, let's go here, and we're going to open a chart. Okay, yeah, we're going to review the rules. Just give me a second. Okay, so it's the 3 Fibonacci's in multiple time frames. Left up corner, as always, is going to be the monthly. Left down corner is going to be the weekly. Right up corner is going to be the daily. And right down corner is going to be the trading time frame, so the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour chart, right? Okay, everybody? Now you have an up Fibonacci. Okay, I need to move to another one. I don't have here the... or give me a second, maybe I do. I don't know. No, I don't have it. Okay. Everybody, let's go to ADCAD, right? we have the AUD CAD, just an example, AUD CAD. By the way, yes, you can study those lessons, everybody, everything, every class, or at least most of the classes. You have here the summary, and today we have the confirmation, how to find the confirmation, how to adjust the 3 Fibonacci's in multiple time frames, and then we're going to have the Fibonacci trading week, and then in 2025 we start from scratch, lesson number 0, right? Okay, so this is the example from this is the most challenging to grasp. Yes, study the manual, everybody. Okay, study the manual. All right, so I'm going to invent a new scenario. Give me a second. So again, we need to just quickly, everybody, horizontal line. Left up corner is going to be the monthly chart. Left down corner is going to be the weekly chart. And Clara, make sure that you come to the State of the Union. It's going to be Saturday, December 21st. Clara, we have a lot of new things to talk about. Like the hedge cap analysis is going to expand from Forex to crypto market and to the index market. Okay, everybody, for the ones who are in the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. For the ones who are on the hedge cap folder on Skype, the weekly analysis and everything. Oh, freaking propaganda on YouTube, alright. So you have the original Fibonacci pointing up on the monthly chart, and you have the, so that's the original one, and you have the contrarian pointing down. We're going to change colors, give me a second, contrarian pointing down. You have the original pointing up on the weekly. Give me a second. So that in here, this is the original. So we have the contrarian pointing down. Still, alright, like this. Okay, better example, even better example here. So this is going to be the contrarian. Alright. Now you have the original on the Fibonacci pointing down, just to make you happy. Just to make you happy, everybody. And you have the contrarian pointing up, just to make you happy again. Give me a second. Original Fibonacci contrarian. So there you go, something like this, right? On the weekly too. On the daily, that's the one. And now we have the contrarian, right? Something like this. Contrarian Fibonacci pointing up. And then of course we have the, everybody, we have the original on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frame. Original Fibonacci contrarian, original Fibonacci pointing up. Okay, and the contrarian, you know, something like this. Give me a second. Changing colors to the contrarian. I've been sick. Oh, sorry to hear you. Are you well? Do you feel well? Alright, everybody, here is the question. You know, we are talking about, okay, so somebody was asking, just quickly, everybody. So you have the you have the 3 Fibonacci's in multiple time frames. Remember, in the Fibonacci mastery, we are sharing with you the Fibonacci's. Okay, let me share with you. In the Fibonacci mastery, it's in the extra course. For some of you, it's for free. For some of you, you need to pay, whatever. So we are sharing with you, you know, the Fibonacci's, the ABCD, you know, and we are sharing you the signal to enter the Fibonacci. Can you see here? Active crown. Okay, those are all signals, everybody. Okay, but in the Fibonacci mastery, we are sharing with you this, you know, it's all live. And down here you have the boss, Douglas, Heraldo, Javen, Thiago, Mattia, Melissa, and others. Okay, everybody? So here is the question. We're talking about alignments. How are you going to trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart to have a better probability of success? Not a guarantee, it's a probability. So just quickly, the original Fibonacci, we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Then we compare trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. The last thing, we need to identify in what zone are the Fibonacci's on the larger time frame and the smaller time frame, meaning extension or retracement or the new extension. Oh, Clara says I'm better now. Good to hear. The contrarian Fibonacci, the difficult one, we use the contrarian Fibonacci to trade retracements, which is risky, and to find the capital C of the original Fibonacci. If you can find the confirmed C when the sub A is above the capital A, then you have an 80 to 85% chance that the Fibonacci is going to go your way and never look back. Okay, everybody? And the Fibonacci, the confirmation, we use the confirmation Fibonacci to re-enter trends when we have missed the entry at the capital C. So the best entry was here, but we were sleeping, we were working, or we were traveling, you know, and now we are here. So you can re-enter the original Fibonacci sequence with those sub swings. And number 2, to confirm the extension from the original Fibonacci of the larger time frame and the smaller time frame. Okay, everybody? If you want those slides, one more, if you want those pictures, send me an email. How to use the 3 Fibonacci's, things to ponder, all the rules apply to all Fibonacci's and on all time frame. Number 2, every Fibonacci can have the contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Yes, also the contrarian Fibonacci can have the contrarian Fibonacci on itself. If not, how are you going to find the C of the contrarian Fibonacci for retracement traders, right? Whoops, I'm always clicking on freaking, you know, X, alright, thank you, okay, I don't want, thank you, alright. Number 3, when comparing the larger time frame and the smaller time frame, it's possible that, now here is the multiple time frames in action, everybody. When comparing the larger time frame and the smaller time frame, it's possible that the contrarian Fibonacci on the larger time frame is the original Fibonacci on the smaller time frame, right? Is it possible that the contrarian Fibonacci, like the contrarian on the monthly and or the weekly, is the original Fibonacci on the smaller time frame? Alright? Number 3, and or the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Alright? In other words, the retracements of one could be the extension of the other. The capital D of the original Fibonacci is stronger than all other Ds from other Fibonacci's. We've learned this in the previous lesson. Always remember, if things get complicated, and they are going to get complicated, the larger time frame controls the lower time frame. As Julius said, right, Douglas? There is a lot to learn. I mean, there is a lot to learn. The larger time frame controls the lower time frame, and the market will always go in the direction of the greatest force, monthly, weekly, daily. Number 7, trade only what you understand and what you're comfortable with. Don't try to do everything. 80% of you don't listen. Boss, I'm going to trade and the original Fibonacci and the contrarian and the confirmation. It's not going to work for you. Don't try to do everything, right? You are trying to trade in the advanced course, you're trying to trade extensions and retracements, all the freaking trends. Is not going to work for you. And number 8, you're going to forget all of this anyway. Okay, everybody, so if you want those pictures, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Just type in the chat, I mean, not in chat, send me an email, you know. Boss, send me the pictures about the Fibonacci's. Okay, now that being said, you are the teacher, I'm the student today. I'm going to ask questions. So how are we going to make money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? 100% of retail traders, listen to the statistics from the brokers, 100% of you retail traders are trading on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. I'm not talking demo accounts. I'm not talking about demo account. I'm talking about live accounts. Okay? Why? Because to trade from the daily, I was not. Okay. 95% of retail trade. Fair enough. Somebody just corrected me. Oh, I have deep pockets. Fair enough. Fair enough. 95% of retail traders trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Because of the account, right? Nobody has $50,000 to trade the daily. Alright? So talking about the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, everybody, how are we going to make money? You are trying to understand the 4 charts, where is the alignment that is going to make the money to the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Should you buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, or should you sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Everybody, and let me make things easier for you. We're going to be here at past support, just to make things easier for you. All right, everybody. Hedge fund trader Douglas, hedge fund trader Alexander, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader, I'm not sure if Anil is here. Anil, are you here? Anil, hedge fund trader Anil. For you to make pips and money with the Fibonacci's, everybody, you need to understand alignments, okay? Boss, what is an alignment? When one Fibonacci is showing you the same direction as the other Fibonacci, this means that those are aligned. There is no right or wrong in trading. And after this lesson, I believe we are going to have the Forex trading week. So we're going to actively, it's December, right? The market is slow. There are some news announcements still to come. But we're going to trade the Fibonacci's for 5 days together. Okay? For you to train, to put into practice the Fibonacci's. Buy or sell, everybody. I'm the student here. If you say buy, I'm going to ask you why would you buy, and if you sell, I'm going to ask you why would you sell. There is no right or wrong. Clara, good news for you. Daronex has a new product. They don't have any drawdown limits, Clara. Trading.com still has. Everybody, yes, 10% drawdown. You must be a skilled day trader, right? Swing trader, 10% drawdown. It's difficult, not impossible, but it's difficult. Yeah, I'm still partnering with DarwinX and with Trading.com, which is Morris Capital. Until Duca Scopi comes along with the trader incubation program, and It's time for Duka Skopic to do something, right? Come on, an investment bank. You know, they could have a... Yeah, I'm planning next year to go to... I believe it's Latvia, it's the name, and visit Duka Skopic headquarters and talk to some manager and say, oh, come on, man. You know? You can do whatever you want, there is no right or wrong. Clara, would you buy or would you sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Douglas, would you buy or sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Alex, would you buy or sell the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? There is no right or wrong. Everybody, can you see my screen and hear my voice? Don't worry, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Give me a second. Boss, can you talk about the... Yeah, okay, alright, everybody, there is a question. Okay, let's go. If you want to trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, or if you want to trade the daily, okay? Buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Okay. Now, Alexander, you are the teacher and the student. Boss, why are we buying the... Everybody listen up. Now this goes to the rules. Okay. There is no right or wrong on trading, but I'm the student and I'm asking teacher Alexander, why would we buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart if the higher time frame, the original daily Fibonacci is down and the original daily Fibonacci has a confirmed C? C is confirmed. The C is confirmed. The sub D, everybody, the sub D of the contrarian on the daily, it's, so this is the daily, right, is above the capital A. Don't worry, it's practice, don't judge yourself, don't worry, it's practice, practice, practice. You know, that's why you're going to become a trader in about 3 years time, not in about 2 weeks time, on average. Okay, so the capital, the sub D, it's above the A, all right? So why would you buy? Make sense, everybody? The C is confirmed, and you have the original Fibonacci is down. I'm going to buy because the Fibonacci is down on the daily and down on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart. I'm going to buy because Fibonacci is down. Clara, what you're saying doesn't make any sense to me. 1 to 4 hour chart on original Fibonacci is confirmed. Yes, it's true, everybody. Alexander is saying, well, the original Fibonacci on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart is up and it has a confirmed C, but the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. Okay, Alexander and everybody else? The higher time frame between the daily and the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, who is stronger in everything you do? Fibonacci, not Fibonacci, Elliott waves, Ichimoku, strategy, systems, who is stronger? The higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. Everybody, this is the cardinal rule on multiple time frames. Swing traders, day traders, no money for you consistently unless you understand and learn and accept that the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. Oh yes, period, end of story. You know? Everybody, let me tell you something about it. It's end of the year, right? So I can share some stories with you in the Advanced Institutional Trader course. About a few years ago, let's say 3 years ago, I had in a group of traders, advanced traders, I had Geraldo, Vanessa, a woman, and Marcus, and João, and I said those guys online. We have a recording, and I said those guys, if you're going to do everything that I'm telling you to do, I guarantee you next year you're a professional trader. And I told them, you can call me out after 1 year. You can call me out and you can tell me, oh, you promised this, you guaranteed. And I said, yeah, sure. Okay, everybody? Now, 1 year passed. Not even one of those guys were a professional trader. And we went online like this. And I said, okay, guys, I'm online. Everybody can see us. Tell me in the face that what I teach doesn't work. So you are not a professional trader, or you didn't do everything that I've told you to do. In about 30 seconds, Geraldo, the first one, the older one, said, no, it's true. Geraldo was speaking for himself. Geraldo said, I only did 30% of what you were telling me to do. And this year in the course, it's called Learn how to make big money. Okay, learn how to really make big money. It's a course about understanding risk. I told Mattia and Melissa and Douglas here, by the way, everybody. And I told those guys, Douglas, I guarantee you, no problem at all at your skill level. In 1 year, you can buy the Ferrari. And I said, Mattia, in 2 years, at a different skill level, you can buy a Porsche and a house. And I said, Melissa, in 3 years' time, you can make $800,000 per year. But, there's always a but, right? There's always a but. I know it's good news, but it's also but. 2 variables. Number 1, trading must become priority in your life. And number 2, you must do exactly what I'm telling you to do. And I told the guys again, we have the recording, you can call me out online. Oh, you promised, you guaranteed. Yes, I did. See how this goes, everybody? We are giving you the information, we're giving you the concepts, we're giving you the tools, but in the advanced course, in the institutional course, which you learn a lot about psychology, you know, you got the information, but, you know, it's no, you want to invent the hot water, you know. Make sense, everybody? It's called homeostasis, the innate drive to stay the same. But it's a learnable skill. It's a learnable skill. Okay, everybody, so just 2 short stories. Between the daily and the 1 hour, who is going to win 7 times out of 10? Dukascopy analyst, so far you're first an analyst, you're not a trader yet. Dukascopy analysts, between the daily and the 1 hour, who is going to win? Talking about the Fibonacci 7 times out of 10. Type in the chat. The 1 hour is going to win 7 times out of 10. Or the 4 hours is going to win 7 times out of 10. Who is going to win 7 times out of 10? Boss, when is going to be the next Fibonacci mastery? Now you got me. March. Everybody, in January we have the crypto course. You're going to learn how to build your crypto portfolio. Okay, my portfolio is up 1,400%. So in January we have the lazy crypto portfolio course. Okay, then we have the learn how to hedge. It's the most difficult course amongst all the others. It's the most difficult for me to teach you also, everybody. It's difficult. And then the next one, the 3rd one in line, is going to be the Fibonacci mastery again. Clara says the daily. Very good. Very good. Excellent. All right, everybody. So, teacher Alexander or teacher Clara, how are you going to make pips and money? There is no right or wrong. But if you buy, right? Let's do something, everybody. If you buy the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, let's color code this in green, all right? Let's color code this in green. If you buy the green, everybody, so if this would be the case, I'm plotting the green on the, and I'm going to now to change colors, everybody. Original Fibonacci. Fibonacci are barking. Something's happening with Bitcoin. Do you hear the guys? Fibonacci, they got crazy. They got crazy when something's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin, BTC, USD. What's happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, nothing special. Boss, I don't believe you that you made 1,400%. Everybody, let's see if it's true. Let's see if it's, maybe I'm wrong on the percentage, but let me see. Do I need to accept all cookies? Alright, I need to log in, everybody. Okay, let me log in, everybody. Give me a second. Okay, now portfolio, and all. I'm at 18,000, even better. Everybody seeing here? This was our first and last crypto course back in time. It was in 2021. I didn't give a lot of thought to cryptos, if I'm honest. We invested in the portfolio $920. It was one-time investment, you know, and the same portfolio right now it's 14,000. Is it 14,000? 16,000. So from 1,000 to 2,000 it's 100, right, everybody? So it's from 1,000 to 10,000. This would be 1,000%, right? Agreed, everybody? Or am I mistaken the numbers? Okay, everybody. No, it's not all Bitcoin. Far from it. Far from it. Back to the Forex market, everybody. So, see everybody, this is the original on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. The market can do anything it wants, of course, but what's the probability? You are looking at the green from the daily standpoint. Now, this is a skill that you are going to acquire, practice. What's the probability of the market to come up to here? Which would be the blackjack on the A. Make sense, everybody? Boss, but the market can still go up. Sure, but not 7 times out of 10. Make sense, everybody? Now, I'm going to give you something else. You need to pay attention to the details. If this is the relevant low, listen up. If this rectangle is the relevant low on the market wave, and on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, the market breaks the relevant low, then this is an indication that this daily it's going down. Make sense? It's a down Fibonacci, original one. It has a confirmed C, you know, and it's going down. Does this make sense to you? You could have a market wave, or also called market structure, up on the daily, you know, Yeah, I misspelled, sorry. So you have a down market structure, down market wave on the daily. You have an up market wave on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, like in here. This would be the rectangle. When the price action breaks the 4 hour market wave, tends to retrace and go further down. Does this make sense? Does this, I'm not saying everybody, I'm not saying do you agree with me, I'm asking you, does this make sense? Fibonacci traders? Hedge fund trader Alexander, does this make sense what I'm teaching you? 7 times out of 10 the daily is going to push down. Alright? Make sense, everybody? Going long 7 times out of 10 on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, 7 times out of 10 is not going to come up to here. 3 times, yes, but the grand majority, no, right? Somebody's asking, boss, how you deal with these probabilities and money? Well, it's easy. When it's a low probability, you risk less. When it's a high probability, you risk more. Does this make sense? When it's a low probability trade for you, risk 0.25%. Don't risk 5%, risk 0.25%. And when it's high probability for you, risk 0.5%, 1%, whatever. Alexander is saying yes, of course. Clara is saying it makes sense, but I have forgotten a lot. Yeah, it's a lot of information, everybody. Okay. During this Christmas, New Year Eve, everybody. So, for my traders, okay, that we go on vacation, use this time, everybody, to reread books, rewatch videos, look at your trading year, you know, how did you do this trading year, read your past mistakes, read your past journals, the emotional journals, okay, and come back stronger in 2025. That's the job, you know, you have active holidays. Okay, everybody? Now let's talk about the daily. How would you trade the daily, everybody? So let's get out of the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. If you would trade the daily, everybody, is it better for you to short the daily, or is it better for you to buy the contrarian? And when I say better, I mean in terms of probabilities. Let's see if your brain is picking the correct information from what I'm saying. Hedge fund trader Douglas, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Alex, and everybody else online. If you trade the daily, it has a better chance, if you have a better chance to short the market, here is the counter trend line, or you have a better chance to buy the market. It's a tricky question. I'm telling you, I'm tricking you right now. Don't be angry with me. I'm tricking you on purpose. I'm tricking you on purpose. Don't get angry with me, you know. Boss, can I have a Lambo next year? Not you. I'm not going to say any names, but the guy was saying, boss, can I have a Lambo next year? Not you. You're not you. You just started. Oh, come on. No. Numbers tell the story, you know, or the skill. Alright? 80% of you guys are going to become... Oh gosh, difficult question today for me. Statistics from me. Statistics from me. I have a statistics of you retail traders for the last 7 years that I'm an active coach. 80% of you, I'm telling you with this all my heart and good intentions, 80% of you are going to become pizza traders, professional pizza traders. A pizza trader is a trader who is a professional trader. He doesn't have a boss, he's trading for a living, but he's making $1,000 per month, 1,000 euros per month. This is what I call a pizza trader. Only 20% of you are going to become the rich money producers, the Lambo guys. Boss, why is that? Psychology. It's the key word in the advanced course. Psychology. Has nothing to do with technicals. Boss, tell me more. Alright, it's end of the year, right? So we can have a little bit of Forex course 2 or institutional trader conversation. You must understand, everybody, that in about, when you go to the advanced institutional trader course, you must understand that in about 2 to 3 years, you are going to go over the Fibonacci mastery multiple times, the crypto course multiple times, learn how to hedge multiple times, learn about basket trading and the index course multiple times. So in about 3 years, your technical skill, how you see the chart, how you understand the market, technically, your technical skill is going to be the same as mine. Make sense? Your technical understanding and mine are going to be more or less in the same level. But you are not going to make any significant money. Does this make sense? Tell me more about psychology. We are right now in the course Learn How to Make Big Bucks. It's the most important course you may take. Because the understanding of risk, it's emotional, it's not technical. It's not just Heraldo anymore. We have multiple traders trading big accounts, but not making a lot of money. Make sense? If you're on a 100,000 account, $100,000 account, you should have no issues risking $500. $500, it's 0.5%, right? Alright? Or you should have no issues risking multiple times $1,000, it's 1%. But you are risking $70 per trade, $200 per trade, $300 per trade. Makes sense, everybody? And you're asking yourself, where is the good life? Where is the Lambo? If you want to make a Lambo, you must risk a Lambo. It's that simple. I know, don't even start. I know, don't even start. Boss, what if I lose? Don't even, I know everything, don't worry. This is why this course is for. To get over of the fear. Oh, boss, what if I lose? I lost 5 times. I lost 5 accounts. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. You still have a choice, or to be a pizza trader or to be a Lambo trader. You still have a choice. But the learning of risk, it's emotional. You must learn about yourself that you have what is called risk appetite. This is the institutional course conversation, not retail trader Forex course 101. You must learn about your risk appetite. In your mind, you have a number, you have a specific number. Let's say that your risk appetite is 10%, alright? This is the number that you cannot come near. Example. That's the number. If you can come near this number, homeostasis is going to kick in and you are going to lose your head. You are going to close all the trades. I'm going to start again. The pain is going to be too much. You're going to suffer too much. This is where I did this too back in time. We're all the same. Learning how to trade, we are all the same, me and you. Okay? This is where you close all the trades. You don't know where is the head, where is the tail. Does this make sense? You do have your own risk appetite. Some of you have risk appetite at 5% drawdown. Some of you have the risk appetite at Douglas is smiling 10% drawdown. Some of you have a risk appetite at 50% drawdown. Which is better, boss? The higher risk is the better if you want the Lambo. Can you see, everybody, how much information just about risk there is to learn? Forex course. You know, I'm boring, right? But I'm telling everybody, you know, I'm boring, right? Now help me, help me. I'm telling you not every single time, but most of the time, if you want consistent results, learn the mindset and the heart set of the professional trader. Ask for the Forex course 202, the institutional trader course. You know, if you've been around the block for 2, 3, 4 years or more and you are not making it, this course, it's a must. I'm not bragging, you know, it's common sense. Because you must come to this course. Why? Because you're not stupid. You're not stupid. Wouldn't you agree? Doug would say, yeah, all of them are stupid, but you know, you are not stupid, believe me. But yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge. And this knowledge here is your next level. Makes sense, everybody? You are lacking some specific knowledge. Pat yourself on the back. But also give yourself a punch in the face if you let 2024 to be just another year. No, I didn't misspell. Pat yourself on the back. There is a lot to learn that I don't know, but also punch yourself in the face. If you did let 2024, I'm not misspelling, to be just another year. Make sense? Why should I punch myself in the face? Because you have a choice. Don't let 2025 to be just another year. Make sense, everybody? I promise you, you can do this. I promise you, it's a learnable skill, but you must do the things I'm asking you to do and not invent hot water. Alright, everybody? Don't let 2025 to be just another year. If you need knowledge, we got you covered. Forex course 101, Forex course 202, Fibonacci mastery, system trading, whatever you want. If you need help with trading, you have a strategy but you're not sure, join the FX Boss trading desk for weekly trading plans and daily trading signals. Now we're extending this desk to cryptos next year and indexes. Brazilian index, DAX, FTSE, whatever may be the case. And lastly, if you need capital, we got you covered. You can get funded or scale your account up to millions of dollars, literally, with two most reliable partners in the industry, Darwinex and Morris Capital. By the way, we had a meeting with the CEO of Morris Capital, Mr. Adam Phillips, on Skype live. Okay, and we had a meeting live on Skype with Mr. Ignacio Colon, Colon Ignacio. Okay, everybody, it's the owner, one of the owners of Darwinex. Okay, so it's not a joke, everybody. We're giving you everything on a silver platter, right? To come strong to 2025. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Remember, we're starting most likely the Forex trading week. Until tomorrow, stay strong and think about 2025 like a boss. You're the boss of your own life, right? Don't let 2025 to be just another year. Okay, everybody, if you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, see you back tomorrow. Thank you very much. This is the boss.